Today we'll be forming equations using angles. Here is our first example. We have a straight line that is cut into two sections. One section forms an angle of 145 degrees and the other angle is A. Part A, use the diagram to write an equation. The angles of a straight line add up to 180 degrees, so our equation becomes 145 plus A equals to 180. B, solve the equation. We want to solve the equation 145 plus A equals to 180 degrees. We want to get A by itself, so we need to move 145 away. To do this, we can subtract both sides by 145. We'll then get A is equal to 180 minus 145. Therefore, A is 35 degrees. Here is our second example. We have a triangle with the angle sizes of 50 degrees, 65 degrees, and t degrees. Part A, write an expression for the sum of the angles in this triangle. The sum of the angles will be 50 plus 65 plus t. This gives us 115 plus t. Part B, the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Write an equation to solve this. The equation will be 115 plus t equals to 180 degrees. Part C, solve the equation. We want to solve the equation 115 plus t equals to 180 degrees. To do this, we need to get t by itself. We need to move the positive 115 away. To do this, we'll subtract both sides by 115. We'll get t is equal to 180 subtract 115. This gives us t is equal to 65. In the next example, we have a triangle with the angle sizes of x, 2x, and x. Part A, write an expression for the sum of the angles in this triangle. The sum of the angles will be x plus 2x plus x. One lot of x plus two lots of x plus one lot of x will give us 4 lots of x. The expression is 4x. B, the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Write an equation to show this. We'll have 4x is equal to 180 degrees. Part C, solve the equation. We'll solve the equation 4x is equal to 180 degrees. We have 4 multiplied by x. The opposite operation will be division. So to move the 4 away, we'll divide both sides by 4. We'll have 4. We'll then have x is equal to 180 divided by 4. This gives us x is equal to 45 degrees. Here is our final example. We have a quadrilateral with the angle sizes of 2x, 4x, x, and 2x. Part A, write an expression for the sum of the angles in this quadrilateral. The sum of the angles will be 2x plus 4x plus x plus 2x. This will give us 9x. B, the angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. Write an equation to solve this. Our equation will be 9x is equal to 360 degrees. C, solve the equation. We want to solve the equation 9x is equal to 360 degrees. To do this, we need to move the 9 away. At the moment, we have 9 multiplied by x. The opposite operation of multiplication is division, so we need to divide 9 to both sides. We'll have x is equal to 360 degrees divided by 9. This will give us x is equal to 40 degrees.